Is the NIL Club app truly a breakthrough for student athletes looking to monetize their name, image, and likeness, or is there more beneath the surface than the slick promises suggest? At first glance, the concept sounds like a win-win, a platform that helps college athletes earn money by connecting them directly with fans and brands, all while simplifying the NIL process. It's even available on trusted platforms like Google Play, which adds a layer of legitimacy. The app includes real contact details such as an email, phone number, and physical address, showing that the creators aren't hiding behind anonymity. Many athletes are already signing up, hopeful about the opportunity to generate income from their personal brand. On the positive side, NIL Club does provide a direct, organized way to engage with potential sponsors and manage deals in a structured way, something that's been missing in the fast-evolving NIL landscape. But once you go deeper, some concerns begin to surface. The app asks for access to your contacts and then proceeds to send invites to people without clearly asking for your permission, which feels invasive and borderline spammy. This aggressive growth tactic might raise privacy alarms for some users. While the platform delivers on its core promise connecting athletes with earning opportunities, it also leaves a sour aftertaste with these unsolicited actions. So, is NIL Club legit? Technically, yes, it works and is doing something innovative. But it's not without its flaws, and whether it's worth using depends on how much you value privacy versus opportunity. It's neither a scam nor a perfect tool, just something that sits in the middle, promising big things while still needing to iron out how it treats its users.